What's up my SEO friends? In this video I'll guide you how to install and use the Keyword Surfer Chrome extension. Now what this thing does is it basically lets you see keyword data right inside Google search, like without needing to log in anywhere, without opening a new tab. It's simple, it's free, it's actually super useful if you are into SEO or blogging or like just trying to get more traffic. Let me show you how to install it, how it works, and a couple tips to get the most out of it. Let's get started. Alright, so what you want to do is open Chrome browser, head over to Google and search Chrome Web Store. Click this link and now in the search box search Keyword Surfer. Click it and now click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. And just to clarify, it only works on Chrome or Chromium based browsers like Brave or Arc. So it has been installed. Close it from here. Now we can't see the Keyword Surfer icon here. So click here that says Extensions and click on Pin button in front of Keyword Surfer. Now we can see the extension icon here. Now what happens is when you Google something, let's say you type in best marketing tools. First of all, you will see this keyword search volume here and also cost per click. So in US, you can see US here, the search volume for this keyword is $5.90 and cost per click is $23.28. And then if you scroll down, you will see a bunch of new info pop up right on the search results page. For every search result, you will see word count on the page, the number of times the exact keyword is used on the page, and website's estimated monthly traffic in the country selected here. We can change the country as well. Later I'll tell you how you can do it. So for this example, this keyword hasn't been used on this page even a single time. So that's why you see 0 here. And the word count on this page is 1142. And keep in mind, this includes all the words on the page, including content in the header, footer, sidebar, and also in the comments. And this website gets this much traffic every month from United States. And if you scroll down, you can see this information with every search result. So this information is super helpful because it gives you an idea of how much words you need to put out if you want to rank for this keyword. And on the right hand side, if I scroll up, you see a box. That's one of my favorite parts, the related keyword suggestions. You will see a list of keywords related to the keyword that you typed here. For every keyword, you will also see the overlap score. It basically shows how many of the top 20 pages rank for both your keyword and these one as well. You can click on it to see the keywords which have the highest overlap score. It basically means is, for example, 70% of the times websites ranking for this keyword also rank for this keyword. Similarly, 55% of the times websites ranking for this keyword also rank for this keyword. So you can either use these keywords on this page or you can create a new page to have a topic cluster on your website. But for this example, you don't want to have separate pages for marketing tools, tools for marketing, and best tools for marketing. They are the same, so you can use them on this page. But for this keyword, you can create a separate page depending on the search intent. I also have a video that explains how to check the search intent. I'll leave a link to that video below. Basically, search the keyword and see if similar websites are ranking, then don't create a separate page. Use that keyword in the same page. For example, you can see for this keyword, the websites ranking are Zapier, Marketer Milk, and other websites. Let's take these two websites as examples. And if I search this keyword, let's copy it. And if I scroll down, you can see Marketer Milk is ranking again here and Zapier is also ranking for this keyword. So you don't need to create a separate page for this. Instead, you can use this keyword on this page. So keep in mind this thing. And from here, you can select the number of keywords from this drop down. Right now you can see 5 keywords and you can select 10, 20 as well. Let's select 20. So now I can see 20 related keywords. And from here, you can see more keywords. If you scroll up, from here you can change the country. Let's change the country and change it to United Kingdom. So you can see the search volume for all the keywords has changed, and also the search volume has changed here as well. This tool supports over 70 countries, so this is also very good. And lastly, here is the collection. From here you can select the keywords that you like and they'll be stored here. You can see them here. Now from here you can delete them, or you can simply uncheck from here. So now we don't have any keyword in the collection. Let's select again. After selecting the keywords that you like, you can go to collection, and from here you can download all the keywords. You can close it from here. So yeah, that's it. That's how Keyword Surfer works. Totally free, super lightweight, and packed with helpful stuff. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more SEO tips. See you in the next video.